Hi, my name is Michael Sandler, and I am here again today talking about different topics in bankruptcy. Today, I'd like to talk to you about rebuilding your credit after you file a bankruptcy case. In this situation, we're talking about Chapter 7. Chapter 7, you file your case. Typically, you get your discharge about 100 days later, and then you need to start rebuilding your credit. It used to be, back before the whole financial crash of 2006, 7, and 8, that my clients would have their mailbox just flooded with credit card offers even before they got their discharge. And the reason for that, of course, was that if they went from having a bunch of credit card or other debt to having no debt, the credit card companies saw them as a really good risk. Hey, now we have other people we can loan money to. Let's get them some credit cards. So it was actually easy to rebuild your credit back then, because you could get a credit card or two, use it a little bit every month, pay it off, and rebuild your credit rather quickly. Those days are gone. I don't hear that from clients anymore. What I do hear from clients is that their mailboxes are now flooded with offers to purchase cars after they file bankruptcy, and they're getting those in the mail before they even get their discharge. Getting a car loan is something that you might want to do. A lot of times people come in and they have really high car loans, and we decided to just surrender the car and cancel that loan altogether, either because they made a purchase which maybe was a little beyond their means, or they had a car which went bad and they had to trade it in and build negative equity from the previous car into the current car, which of course just gets you behind the 8 ball that much even more. So if you are looking to get rid of the current car you have and get a new one, there are typically a lot of people out there that will make a loan to you so you can do that. Now, are you going to get 0 or 1 or 2% interest? No, you're not going to get that type of interest rate. You're going to probably be paying in the mid-teens. And you're not going to typically be approved for the loan until you actually get your discharge, which is, again, about 3 months after you file. So that's one way you can rebuild your credit, is by getting a car loan after you file a bankruptcy case. That doesn't happen that frequently, but a lot of people do want to get a car after they file bankruptcy. Another thing to do is, again, to still get a credit card or two. Use it a bit every month, either groceries, gas, something like that, and then pay it off at the end of the month. The only problem is, again, that credit card companies aren't as willing to open accounts as they were prior to the whole financial crash. So you may need to go to your bank and get a secured card. That's the type of card where you give them a $500 deposit, and they will give you a card with a $500 limit. Those accounts are reported to your credit report, and it will be a positive reference going forward. So if you can get 1 or 2 or even 3 credit references moving forward, then your credit should be sufficiently rebuilt in 1.5 to 2 years to start qualifying for those really good car loan rates, or around the 2-year mark to even purchase a house. And I've had plenty of clients just in the past year who have done that. If you have any other questions about your particular situation, please shoot me an email or give me a call.